Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? What's in it for me is a question that you should always answer when you're reaching out to a prospective client, when you're reaching out to a prospective organization, to HR managers, recruiters, or CEOs and founders of company that you want to work in or partner with. You have to be able to answer this question before you reach out to them, because when you reach out to people asking for opportunities, when you reach out to people asking to partner, that question is always behind their mind. However, if you answer that question right when reaching out to them, then you'll be 10 steps ahead of them, and that would also improve and increase your acceptance level when it comes to them working with you. So let me give you an example. If you reach out to someone via LinkedIn, or you reach out to someone via email, or you reach out to someone by social media, and you are asking for something from them, probably you want to work from them, or you want them to feature on your YouTube channel, right? Or you want them to write you a recommendation or an endorsement. The question behind their mind is what's in it for them? What's in it for them? Why should they do that? Do they know you from anywhere? Are you guys friends? Have you guys established a connection before you reached out to them? However, if you are reaching out to someone, which is usually called cold calling, right? Someone you've never spoken to, you should always come out from an angle of you adding value. By adding value, you should ask yourself the question, what can you do? What can you give? What can you help this person with in return for them to work with you, in return for them to give you the audience that you require, in return for them to have a virtual coffee chat with you, right? Or in return for them to write a recommendation for you. So you should always ask yourself the question, what's in it for them? How can I bring my value to the table? How can I communicate my value, which is something I spoke in my last video. So if you missed that video, make sure you watch it on my YouTube channel. So guys, what's in it for the people that you are reaching out to? How can you communicate your value to them? Do you have any questions? Drop it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye bye.